In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom objects in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over to their settings, which is this gear icon that we can see right here. You can direct to that. As you can see, this is what your settings will look like. Now to head over it and create your custom object, just need to head over to the settings, and from in there you can see the objects option. It's under the data management, so expand this and you can see right here what kind of object you want. For example, let's create right here a contact object, and let's head over and then create one. You can also choose the option for custom objects if you want instead of others. Now click onto this create custom object. Do take note that this particular option is only available into the advanced option or to the advanced sales professional hub subscription. So once you've done that, you can head over and create your own custom object and you should be able to use it directly. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.